Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by using Power Query because it's the only robust live link method. Open Excel, go to Data, then Get Data, choose from File and pick Workbook or Text/CSV depending on your file. Point to the exact file path so the link remains stable, and click Import. The preview loads into the Power Query editor. This is where you inspect and shape the data. Once here, you can see rows, columns, headers, and initial types before making transformation choices. Once in Power Query, apply transformations that make the data consistent. Change column types, remove unnecessary columns, split or merge fields, and filter rows. These steps ensure the link delivers usable data every refresh. After transforming, rename the query for clarity and open query properties to document purpose. Then select Close and Load dropdown and choose Close and Load to. This step controls whether you load a table, only create a connection, or add to the data model, which affects file size and refresh behavior. Finish by deciding how the link appears. Load to a worksheet if you need visible data, or choose Only Create Connection to keep Workbook lean and rely on the linked query. Configure query properties to refresh on open and set an automatic interval if needed. Save the workbook, then test Refresh All. If the link breaks, open the query, update the source step in Advanced Editor to correct the file path, and check privacy/permissions. That single fix solves most connectivity errors. Make sure credentials and paths are consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.